Hi guys, my name's Amir and welcome to another YouTube video on the CBS Automotive YouTube channel today. Now today we are looking at this absolutely stunning Jaguar F-Pace that we've done a really neat install on. So the client was looking for a bit more functionality out of their car and bringing it up to the modern era. And now what we've done on this is a system we're doing more and more often nowadays, but it's integrating wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto onto your factory screen. So on this particular example, and on most of our systems like this, there is no visual, physical change to the outside of what you're actually seeing. Everything is done behind the scenes, neatly and professionally, installed to a highest standard that's possible. So the way the system works is all you need to do is select the Bluetooth or aux, depending on the vehicle, on your factory screen, and then you press and hold a button that's already in the car. So in this case, the mode button on the steering wheel. Press and hold that and it will flick over into your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto screen. Now, as it will remember your phone, it will automatically do this as you get in the car the next time. It's a really neat solution and looks absolutely OEM, just as if it came out of the factory. And to be honest, some cars should have just come out with this out of the factory. However, this is an option aftermarket. Now, more and more often, our clients are coming to us having used Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in other vehicles. They get back into their own and they find that it's just lacking. Subconsciously, we become reliant on it, having our Google Maps, our Spotify and WhatsApp at our fingertips wherever we are. And now this is an upgrade that we can offer on pretty much every vehicle to give you that extra functionality that you're used to and that you and your car deserve. Now, if you're interested in having a similar installation done on your vehicle, please get in contact with either myself or my team and we'll be able to guide you through the process and get that all installed for you. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.